Bati CTV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jompi
Menteri Rang Ba Kajelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma Hagas ni thọ dieng ka arp nyotri ujembang arjar arpuar Ula kenta cerut ya Jingdawa jong kasain Kongres ban penher suki ya Menteri Ketnat PWD Building uba dasak khat Palamari bat ban penshitom ya Executive Engineer jong Ketnat PWD Building uba ran som sutnga hak bai dei ba Jingkhyllem ka Tnum Pyllun jong ka yeng dor ba tho an thamai ha New Shillong mau diang diang Hak jing keren bagi la patai kubur Menteri Rang Ba laong ai ba Jingtohkit kan ya Shwa Shakman Shwa ba sarkar kan shim ya kanu karai namar ba hai power committee kala dep shim ya karai ban pha ekatnat PWD building ban ya keren bat ka IIT Nagwati ban pelong Jingtohkit Halor kan jingja
Project was a highly technical project and a project of this nature has never been done in the whole of Northeast. In fact, in the entire eastern region, maybe I think the Victoria building in Kolkata is the only one that will have the tomb. But as per my knowledge, I think nowhere in the eastern region this kind of a project has been tried out. So it was and is a very highly technical and a very complicated project, both from design and from engineering and from construction point of view. That's number one. Number two, regarding the entire question of free and fair inquiry that is being mentioned out here, a third party agency has been brought in, and I think that in itself is an indication that it's completely disconnected, and this is an institution, and it's not that we have directly selected any institute. We have written to 4 institutes, and one has replied back saying that they are not free. And we have just received information, I can share with you, that we have just received information from IIT Guwahati that they have said that they will be able to come into the third party inspection. We expect them to come in the next couple of days, and the inspection will be done, complete study will be done, it will be completely independent in nature, independent from both the stakeholders, the designers and the contractors, and also from the government. Third thing is, I think the allegations and the demands that Congress may make, well, that's the nature of politics, and that's the nature of things. They will make those demands, but as I said, from our side, we have maintained that quality was fully maintained. This was a 4 lakh kg, that means 4,500 metric ton dome structure. So the weight of the dome alone is 4,500 metric tons. It's not a very light structure. So you can well imagine what architectural as well as engineering and contractual skills will be required to make this, move this forward. So it was not easy, not challenging, very challenging. But as I said, things happen. Let the inquiry come out. We'll come out with a real picture of what's happening. I think it will be premature to jump to any conclusion and say that it is because of the PWD minister that this happened. So let the inquiry come out and then we'll take a decision.